Albert, do you feel currency depreciation for Asia as a whole is less of a risk now that we have the uptrend, it seems, in the US rates market apparently broken, at the uptrend in the US dollar taking something of a pause as well?
Right. Well, everyone's eyes are on the Fed, and to the extent that the Fed continues to tighten aggressively, of course, that will put a lot of financial pressure on the region, including on exchange rates. Although the inflation number yesterday for the U.S., 7.1%, was lower than expected, we still see a pretty tight employment market in the U.S. and wage inflation persisting around 5%, which is above maybe what the Fed would like. So it's by no means clear that Fed tightening is over, and that really could affect exchange rates. In Asia, we've seen a lot of countries see modest depreciation this year, but it's been manageable for the most part. There's a few countries, of course, that have had much bigger ones, but usually that reflects concerns about debt sustainability or balance of payment issues. So places like Laos, Sri Lanka, Pakistan, we've seen much larger depreciations, yes. and that pressure could continue.
Albert, as a whole, do you feel that we can avoid recession in 2023? And how vulnerable is trade-dependent Asia in this context of an export slowdown, which we could see materialize in 2023 as well?
Well, we're already seeing export orders declining, especially in bellwether exporting economies like Taipei, China, Korea. And so that reflects, I think, the slowdown we're seeing in advanced economies. So that's definitely going to create pressure. Now, whether it amounts to recession, there's not going to be a recession in Asia. All of our growth projections are positive. In fact, Asia will continue to grow faster than most regions and maybe all other regions of the world. For advanced economies, we're projecting close to zero growth. We're not really predicting large negative growth rates. We're trying to be measured and optimistic there. But of course, there are downside risks, and any negative event or a change in the situation to the downside will have a negative effect on the outlook in Asia as well.